Children, all of you will attend a beautiful assembly on the topic Honesty is the best policy.
Hello everyone, my name is Malika. It's not the color of the balloon that matters, it's what's inside it that makes it rise. Likewise, we all have the power and positivity in ourselves to rise up to any situation, good or bad. So let's find our inner strength and treat this time as a beautiful gift and use it to grow. Whether it's adopting a new hobby, reading your favorite book, or writing a blog, we must strive to find new gateways for happy expression.
So join hands and start the prayer.
We thank you, God, for one more day, for books and walks and play, for animals and trees and flowers, and all the blessings which are ours.
Honesty is the basis of remote success, without which confidence and ability to perform shall cease to exist.
Honesty is H, helping others to trust you. O, owning up your mistakes. N, not to cheat yourself or others. E, expressing courage and integrity. Sincerity towards all. T, to be truthful in what you do and say. Y, yearning for good deeds.
Honesty is being real and not to be fake. It's about being open with yourself and more than give and take.
Honesty is not telling all you know to everyone on the street.
So now let's start with the assembly. I hope everybody is ready.
Self-discipline is the bridge between goals and achievements.
You can be disciplined with your daily actions. You can achieve anything that you set your mind to.
It's not without some sacrifice or trade of sweat and soul. You will do what's needed